Yo, what's good, YouTube fam? It's your girl Mo the Goat coming with another video. Thank you for clicking on it, you know what I mean, to see what I got going on. I know I've been missing. You know what I'm saying? Missing on the Photoshop tutorials and everything, but they finna be jumping back out 2022. It's a whole nother ball game, you feel me? I've been on the Grizzy. Your girl been on the Grizzy, on another Grizzy, you know? But check this out. This my new drone, man. It's Christmas Day. I went out there to catch the sunrise, you know? Hey, man, I love it. I think the video quality is gonna jump up when we get more, you know, knowledgeable about the equipment and shit. But hey, man, I have no complaints. You know what I mean? It was fun. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit like. Hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, tell me how you doing, tell me how your mama them, and stay safe, and y'all have a happy new year, alright? Alright, let's get it.